You're watching Tap Tech, your go-to for honest takes on the gadgets that matter. Today, we're digging into a machine that's pushing boundaries between sleek design and raw power. Meet the Acer Predator Helios Neo 16S AI. This laptop doesn't hesitate. It packs a desktop-class Intel Core Ultra 9275HX chip and a bleeding-edge NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 into a slim, polished chassis. You're looking at a 16-inch OLED panel with 240Hz refresh rate, crisp 2560 by 1600 resolution, and vivid DCI-P3 color. It's not just fast, it's vivid, too. Let's talk specs. Under the hood, you get that 24-core, 8 performance plus 16 efficiency, Intel Ultra 9275HX, reaching up to 5.4 GHz, backed by an AI NPU delivering up to 13 TOPS, clearing up CPU load when streaming or editing with AI features. On the GPU side, there's the 12GB RTX 5070 with DLSS 4 support, powered by NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture. It's a powerhouse. The display is OLED, WQXGA, 240Hz, 1610, G-Sync, and 100% DCI-P3 for punchy visuals. Storage and memory are generous too, up to 32GB DDR5-6400 RAM and a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, both user upgradable. You get Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4, Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1, Ethernet, microSD, and plenty of USB. We're talking plug-anywhere flexibility. The laptop weighs around 5.1 pounds and starts at roughly $1,899 for the OLED version. Now let's move from raw data to real build and design. This isn't your chunky gamer brick. At under 1 inch thick, with clean lines and RGB keyboard accents, it's surprisingly refined for a Predator. There's some heft, but it's manageable. The build feels solid, the hinge smooth, and the deck firm. Acer went for smart port placement. Rear and side combo means tidy desk setup and easy reach for accessories. Slide it open and you're greeted by that OLED panel, and yes, it's bright, deep black and vivid. The 1610 aspect gives you more vertical real estate. Whether gaming at high refresh or editing in color-sensitive work, it's sharp, smooth, and responsive. Colors pop, contrast is stunning, and motion stays fluid. Performance? This is where it shows teeth. In benchmarks and real world, the Ultra 9 CPU delivers desktop-level performance, be it rendering, multitasking, or creative workloads. The RTX 5070 with DLSS 4 keeps games like Cyberpunk, Dawntrail, or your favorite competitive shooter buttery smooth, even at high settings. The AI NPU offloads tasks during streaming, keeping frames high and temps in check. Software-wise, Acer's Predator Sense app lets you toggle performance modes, adjust fans, customize lighting, all without diving into Windows. AI Boost handles background AI tasks like noise cancellation or scene optimization, handy for creators or live streamers. Battery life? The combination of a powerful CPU, OLED, and robust GPU means it won't outlast an ARM. Expect moderate use to deliver 4 to 5 hours tops, lighter work less. Not a road trip champ, but good enough for a work session away from an outlet. When gaming or working in creative apps, this thing performs. Frame rates stay high, render times are impressive, and the OLED screen makes visuals pop. But push too hard, and the fans ramp up noticeably. Still, the performance holds. Audio isn't class-leading but solid. Speakers get loud and clear, no distortion mid-volume. For gaming, streaming, or light editing, it's serviceable. For serious music work, headphones still win. Connectivity is a major plus. Tons of ports: Thunderbolt 4, USB-C, USB-A, HDMI 2.1, Ethernet, microSD, audio jack. Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.4 keep connections fast and modern. No dongles needed. Price and value? The OLED Ultra 9 Plus RTX 5070 config starts around $1,899, impressive considering similar machines go for $700 more. It's an amazing value for performance, display, and features. Okay, let's weigh pros and cons. On the upside, monstrous performance, gorgeous OLED screen, excellent port selection, AI features, and strong value. On the downside, battery life is mediocre, fan noise gets loud under load, and there's some weight. Also, early reliability concerns are emerging. Some reviewers flag stability issues, including crashes during simple tasks. That could be a deal breaker for some. In the end, the Predator Helios Neo 16S AI is an exciting package. It blends desktop-class power, dazzling visuals, and thoughtful design in a relatively portable body. If battery isn't your top concern and you want top-tier performance without the top-tier price, this is a strong contender. Just be aware early reviews mention possible stability issues. So, if you're hungry for a high-frequency OLED, RTX 50 series power, AI extras, and generous connectivity in one laptop, this is a very tempting option. This was Tap Tech, where we keep it real with tech that pushes limits and helps you decide. If you found this breakdown helpful, stick around. More honest and deep dive reviews are coming your way. Catch you in the next one.